Where them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a New Link from New Link Production. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, I have some breaking news, people. Out of Barbados, my viewers and subscribers, our Caribbean neighbor. You understand? And reason being now, people, why this story has really come way up in my attention now, people, and when I really have to drop a vlog on it, people. Because it's the second incident within days, people, that involve Jamaican females, you understand, that's losing their life over in Barbados. Well, now, my viewers and subscribers, I'm not going to list this one as a murder, you understand, and I'm not going to list this one as a sway, you know what I mean, but basically, and to it, look, my viewers and subscribers, a sway, it'll be the way and the main premise on that thing right now. So I have a small little article right now, people. Very small, not long, man. So now only for reading the attacking basket of people. And then, you don't know, we do some checks and pinpoints and this thing, people. And so the fullest and the fullest are really, you understand, go on, car, yo, only Jah sees and he knows. Bridgetown, Barbados. Police investigators in Barbados are probing the death of a Jamaican woman whose body was found at her home in the Eastern Caribbean island on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as 39-year-old Charmaine Merchant of 106 Willio Drive, Ruby Park in St. Philip. She was reportedly found hanging inside a garage at the premises. According to the Barbados Nation News, residents were alerted to the incident in the early hours of the morning. Additional details surrounding the circumstances of the Jamaican's death were not provided. Jah sees, Jah knows, my people. Well, after my checks and everything was done, people, a lot of people come so boom and do know this female. You understand? Because when I do more and more checks by people, it is also said that she was a very popular person on Instagram, who a lot of people know as Blondie. Zine? So I'm saying now, my viewers and subscribers, what could have really lead this female and our people, 39 years old, you understand, if she really do something to herself, because me tell people, me now go pray and pinpoint and say, yes, that she do, and this she do it to herself, people. But based on the fact where they found her, in the garage, people, with something around her neck, which somebody can do that to people and put it around her neck, you understand? But as me tell you, me now go pinpoint and say that and this and that. But when me ask now, people, if that she really do, what could have really lead her to do something like this? Because after my checks and more checks, people, it is also said that she was a hustler, a worker, Zane. And remember, people, as me tell you, a couple days ago, I covered the story where a Jamaican national was also found over there in Barbados, people, dead. So in these people, this is the second Jamaican female to be found over there, Zane. And she know, people, Blondie is from a St. James address down there in Montego Bay. So, she also have her kids, them, my people. Zine, what really went down? Me know, say, this pandemic, my viewers and subscribers, you understand, causing a lot of stress, you know what I mean? And it's like a lot of demons unleashed in a people's mind and their mentality, people, throughout this pandemic. Zine, we know, say, personally, she can have problems with, you know what I mean, with her family, with her loved ones. You may never know, my people. But when I want to say, answer this to anybody out there, Zine, as me tell the people, me now pinpoint and say this Blondie really do and take out her 3 points. Me now go say that, people. But what I want to say, Zine, me know, say, a lot of people out there go through stress. The worstest of times, the toughest of times, you understand? Now we are going through something when we never did expect, so we are going to go through in a times like now. And we beat it through a couple months, we beat it through a year, and we beat it through, I go through 2 years now, people. And you know, if you say, we can continue to go and hold it out and fight it out until this thing, you know what I mean, vanish away. Zine, or if you want to stay, but until we can just come, so we want to set ourselves certain way where we can just live. You know what I mean? But instead of come boom and pray and have this mentality if you go take out your 1 3 points, yo, me not think that's the answer. No, me not think. As me tell a people, me not pinpointing and not because you hear me a cover the vlogging of this way people, but me not pinpoint and say you're that Blandy though. But me just a say, Zane, I don't think that's the answer. I want more to look into deep and make people understand. You see, life are the greatest. And you see, when you have life, you can achieve everything. You know what I mean? Once you have life. But you see, when the 3 points gone, that's it. That's it, you know. So a man have to think and know what he really want personally in a life. And me can't judge and go tell a man how to live him life, how to choose him life. You understand? And when push come to shovel now, you hear say this and that go on. And you know what I mean, people? But it just sad, man. Sad. And when me I read people and I go to an article over there in Barbados, it is saying like the suicide thing, I get a big toll over there now, people. You know what I mean? Like within days, it's like 3 females. You get what me I say, take out them 3 points over there as me tell the people. Me nah list Blandy because police over there still are conducting their investigations. But me see a lot of people I say, yo, you know what I mean? Them now see her from the other day on IG because they always watch her live and they always follow her thing. You know what I mean? Because she was like an influencer, even though maybe she not one of them big top influencer upon IG people. But a lot of people do know her. See, now you have seen where people ask your IG name and see when somebody comment and say, yo, them that try to find her page and them now find it again, maybe it deactivated or something. You know what I mean? But during the period of deactivation or not deactivated, you may never know. Maybe she's going through the worst of her demons inside, and that lead her if you're not even a see her on IG no more. But it just sad, my people. It's sad, and it's a situation where, look on it, she's an influencer on IG where a lot of people look up to, just like the attacking boss New Link himself, people. And me not go judge and say, yo, you go yes, you find New Link, you know what I mean, in certain position, because me not go listen, me not go put on for myself and say, yo, you know what I mean, man, I go do this, you know, but I'm just saying, people, I could have been the one, and where a lot of people are mourn and I say, yo, them can't believe them, and this is a lie and something, people. So when you say something like this happen, people, to anybody at all, but especially to a person who in the field, you understand, social media field, people, I definitely have to pay my respect, you know what I mean, and push out my condolences, you get me? And me now go, as I tell her before much time, people, I'm not going to put it and say, yo, as she take out her 3 points. Not until information can be provided, you understand, by the police over there, and we can say, yo, well, the police then say that go on and this go on, but you don't know, them a do them thing. But why? Rest in peace, Blandy. You know what I mean? And only Jah sees and he knows, people. As me telling the people, we have to really be careful in this world. Zane, we have to really be careful and just try to secure ourselves and just be on the right path, because yo, we just don't know, people. We just don't know. Some of viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And thanks to the love, my people. Thanks to the support. Thanks to the like them. Thanks to the share them. Thanks to the comment them, people. Thanks to everything, because as I'm telling you over and over, without you, all my viewers and subscribers, you could not and you would not have an attacking boss. Attack. So, you see anybody right now, when me tell you, I do the wrong thing and now I do the right thing, a straight attack. And the police them over Barbados wanting to carry out swift action, swift investigations into this thing. I'm wanting to drop the news and make we hear what really go on with our Jamaican national Blandy. And you see, if you don't do what I'm telling you, do a straight attack, no joke, no leniency, no play with the attack. But the one thing I can say again, I'm going to say it again. Rest in peace, Blandy. You understand? Jah sees and Jah know. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Another one gone. Jah. Peace out, my people. Attack.